Hello everyone. Today we will read a new chapter, The Cop and the Anthem. Class 7th, CBSC. The book's name is An Alien Hand. So let's start. The Cop and the Anthem. Cop means policeman in American English. The Cop and the Anthem. This chapter is written by O. Henry. Who was O. Henry? O. Henry was an American short story writer. In this chapter, he has depicted about the life sketch of a homeless boy. His name was Soapy. He did many small crimes to reach in Blackwell's Island, which is a prison. In winter season, he had to suffer a lot of. So, in winter season, he always tried to make a crime so that police can arrest him and send to a jail. His favorite jail names was Blackwell Island. So, here are many ironical situations we will read in detail. Before you read, have you ever found yourself in a situation in which what happened was the opposite of what you expected? If so, you are familiar with the irony of the situation. Irony, familiar with means known to. Irony of the situation. Irony means amusing. In detail, irony, what is a irony? Irony, a situation that is very different from what you expect. We can understand with an example. When he finally got the job, he discovered he did not like it. Though before getting job, he did a lot of efforts, labor, but when he got that job, he disliked it. Next, you are familiar with the irony of the situation, which is often embarrassing. Embarrassing means awkward situation. Embarrassing means awkward situation. The story that you are going to read has a number of such situations. Soapy is a homeless, jobless man. Soapy is the character, is the hero of this chapter, this topic. Winter is fast approaching. Approaching means coming, and Soapy must have a place to stay. Soapy comes to a decision at last. In this chapter, we have already knew that Soapy was a homeless boy. So, in winter season, he always tried to go in prison, in jail, which was situated in New York. In this jail, this prison, he can get free of cost food, bed, and everything. So he always made a mistake so that police can arrest him and send to the jail. Soapy moved restlessly on his seat in Madison Square. There are certain signs to show that winter is coming. Birds begin to fly south. People want new warm coats, and Soapy moves restlessly on his seat in the park. When you see these signs, you know that winter is near. Soapy moved restlessly, means uneasily, on his seat in Madison Square. Madison Square is a big garden in New York. New York is a city in US. So Madison Square is a big garden, is a big park where all time Soapy used to sit on a bench and spend his life. There are certain signs to show that winter is coming. He was able to know the symptom, the indication of the approaching winter. Birds begin to fly south. People want new warm coats. This area is belong to northern part of US, New York. So birds begin to fly south. People want new warm coats. Why did birds begin to fly south? Because that is a warmer place, and the people of this locality want new warm coats. And Soapy moves restlessly on his seat in the park. Why? Because Soapy knew that he had no warm coats or clothage. When you see these signs, you know that winter is near. A deep leaf fell at Soapy's feet. That was a special sign for him that winter was coming. When Soapy was sitting in the park, that time a dead leaf fell down on his feet. So he understood that winter has come. It was time for all who lived in Madison Square to prepare. All dwellers of this locality, of these areas, now going to be ready for to save themselves to winter, to cold season. Soapy's mind now realized that fact. The time had come. He had to find some way to take care of himself during the cold weather, and therefore he moved restlessly on his seat. So now Soapy knew that he should take a decision to how he can save himself from the winter. So he began to ponder, began to think on his situation, and become restlessly sitting on his seat. Soapy's hopes for the winter were not very high. He was not thinking of sailing away on a ship. Soapy's hopes for the winter were not very high. To save himself, Soapy didn't want much. He was not thinking of sailing away on a ship. He was not rich enough to sailing away on a ship. He was not thinking of southern skies. He was not able to go to the southern skies, southern areas, because he had no money. He was very poor. Or the Bay of Naples. 3 months in the prison on Blackwell's Island was what he wanted. He only wanted that the cop, the police should arrest him and send to his favorite place, Blackwell Island. Blackwell Island is the name of a prison which is situated in near Madison Square in New York State. 3 months of food every day and a bed every night. 3 months safe from the cold north wind and safe from cops. Cops means police. So he thought that if he has been sent to the jail, then he can get free of cost food, shelter and blanket in Blackwell Island. Blackwell Island is the name of a prison. So he only want to make a crime so that police can arrest and send to that prison. For years, Blackwell Island had been his winter home. Many times in winter season, he had committed mistake to so that police can arrest and send him to prison, Blackwell Island. In past, he tried and succeed. So now this time he also want to go in Blackwell Island. Richer New Yorkers made their plans to go to Florida or to the shore of the Mediterranean Sea each winter. Florida, it is also a warmer place, and it is situated in a southern state of US. So those who are rich, they used to go Florida or Mediterranean Sea to move. But Sophie was homeless, helpless, moneyless. So he only want to a prison. Sophie made his small plans for going to the island. And now the time had come. 3 big newspapers, some under his coat and some over his legs, had not kept him warm during the night in the park. Now this time Sophie is sitting in the park, and it is a severe winter season. So he tried to put some newspaper under his coat and under his pant, but it could not. He could not get warm himself. Since Sophie had no home and no warm clothes, he had to put his newspaper under his coat and over his legs, yet he could not get warm during the night in the park. Thank you.